a step-by-step guide to publishing your paperback and Kindle ebook on Amazon. Part 1. Creating the paperback. Click Create New Titles and Series. KDP will ask what you would like to create. Choose to create both a paperback and a Kindle ebook. The paperback. Once completed, proceed to the Kindle ebook. Click Paperback. You will be guided through 3 sections: paperback details, paperback content, paperback rights, and paperback details. Select the book language. Enter the book title, the money map. Enter the subtitle by copying and pasting it from Microsoft Word. 10 hidden pathways to wealth, purpose, and provision. The series field for now. The edition field is optional. Scroll down. Since the author already exists on Amazon KDP, select the author's name from the drop-down list. First name, Richard. Last name, Cherry Boateng. Add contributors if applicable. Since this is optional, skip it. Copy a summarized version of the book description and paste it into the description field. Use the formatting tools if needed. Select I own the copyright and hold the necessary publishing rights. The book does not contain sexually explicit content, so select No. Optionally set the reading age range from 15 to 18 plus. Keep the primary marketplace as Amazon.com. Under categories, choose Business and Money, Personal Finance, General. There's 7 keywords that describe the book's themes. Copy and paste them one at a time. Select Publishing date and release date are the same. Choose Release my book for sale now. Approval may take up to 72 hours, though it is often faster. Click Save and continue to proceed. You will see the message, the details have been saved successfully. Paperback content. Enter the ISBN. Since a personal ISBN was purchased, select Add your own ISBN. Then copy and paste it into the field. Enter the publisher imprint, Richie P. Publications. Print options. Choose black and white interior with white paper. Change the trim size from the default 6 x 9 inches to 5.5, 8.5 inches to match the manuscript. Select Bleed, since images extend to the edge of the page. Note, Bleed requires a PDF manuscript. Choose glossy finishing for a polished cover appearance. Uploading files. Click Upload Manuscript, locate the interior file, select it, and click OK. Wait for the upload to complete and confirm the success message. Upload the cover by clicking Upload Cover, locating the pre-designed file created in Adobe Photoshop, and selecting Open. Wait for the confirmation message. Indicate whether the book was entirely generated by AI. Select No. Preview and fixing errors. Click Launch Previewer to review formatting and print quality. Preview your book. Click the side arrow to quickly navigate through the pages and check for any anomalies. Cover size error may appear. For example, expected size 11.558 × 8.750 inches versus uploaded size 11.393 to 8.500 inches. You may also notice an ISBN overlap if the ISBN was manually added to the back cover. To fix this, resize the cover to 11.558 × 8.7052 inches. Remove the ISBN from the back cover design. KDP will insert it automatically. Upload the corrected cover file and wait for confirmation. Launch the previewer to confirm all errors are resolved. If no issues are found, click Approve to proceed. Click Save and Continue to move to Paperback Rights and Pricing. Paperback Rights and Pricing. Under Territories, select All Territories, Worldwide Rights. Keep Amazon.com as the primary marketplace. Set the paperback price. If $6 is entered with expanded distribution, KDP may flag it as below the minimum. Adjust the price to $9.99 to meet requirements and view updated royalties. Review KDP's terms and conditions. Optionally request an author-proof copy. Click Publish your paperback book. Once processing is complete, your paperback is officially published. Congratulations! Part 2. Publishing the Kindle Ebook. After publishing the paperback, Amazon prompts you to publish the Kindle Ebook to earn additional income from the same book. Click Start Your Ebook Now. KDP automatically fills in details from the paperback, including language, title and subtitle, publishing rights, primary audience, primary marketplace. Enter the reader age range, optional but recommended, 15 to 18 plus. Select categories. Choose business and money, finance, wealth management. For the Kindle book, check Classic. Keywords are automatically populated. Leave pre-order off since the book is ready for release. Click Save and Continue. Kindle ebook content. Upload the ebook manuscript in Microsoft Word format. Click Upload Manuscript, locate the file, select it, and click Open. Wait for the confirmation message. Under Digital Rights Management, DRM, select No to allow flexible access for buyers. Upload the cover by selecting Upload Cover. Locating the Photoshop file and clicking Open. Indicate that the book was not entirely generated by AI. Open Kindle Ebook Preview and wait while the file converts. Although ISBNs are optional for ebooks, paste the purchased ISBN if desired. Enter the publisher name, Richie P. Publications. Accessibility. Select I don't know for image accessibility. Tick the checkbox and click Save and Continue. Ebook pricing. Enroll the book in KDP Select. Maintain all territories, worldwide rights. Keep the primary marketplace unchanged. Set the ebook price to $3.99 to qualify for royalties. Review the terms and conditions. Click Publish your Kindle ebook. Once processing is complete, you will receive a congratulatory confirmation message. Tech Tricks GH, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more.